Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 21. Today's topic is cancer. The multiplication of the cell is so carefully regulated and responsive to the specific needs of the body that possess of cell death and birth are balanced to produce a steady state. Sometimes the control that regulates the cell multiplication break down a cell in which this occur begin to grow and divide in uncontrolled, unregulated fashion without body's need for the further cells of its type. When such cells produce new cells which continue to proliferate in uncontrolled fashion, an unwanted clone of cell called as tumor is formed which can expand indefinitely. Tumors arises frequently, especially in the older animals and humans, and are of two basic types. Some tumors are of small size and located, not transferred to the other parts, are called as binging. The cells in this type usually behave like the normal cells and have little deleterious effects only due to either its interference with the normal cells or its hormones like secretions. In contrast, the cell composing of malignant tumors or cancer divide more rapidly, mostly invade surrounding tissues, get into the body circulatory system, and set up areas of proliferation away from their site of the original appearance. This spread of the tumor cells and establishment of secondary area of growth is called as metastasis. Cancer cells can distinguish from the normal cells because they are less differentiated than normal cells, exhibit the characteristics of rapidly dividing growing cells, that is high nucleus to cytoplasm ratio, prominent nuclei, and many mitosis. The presence of invading cells in the otherwise normal tissue is an indication of malignancy. Cancer is caused mainly by the mutations in the somatic cells. Secondary, the cancer results from the accumulation of as few as 3 to as many as 20 mutations in the genes that regulate the cell division. These mutations bring two basic changes in the cancer cells. First, the metastatic cells break their contact with the other cells and overcome the resistance on the cell movements provided by the basal lamina and other barriers. Ultimately, metastatic cells can invade other parts of the body. Secondly, they proliferate unlimitedly without minding the checks or programs of the body. Importance of mitosis. In mitosis, the hereditary material is equally distributed in the daughter cells. As there is no crossing over or recombination, the genetic information remain unchanged generation after generation. Thus, the continuity of similar information is ensured from the parents to the daughter cells. Some organisms, both plants and animals, undergo the asexual reproduction, regeneration, healing of wounds, and replacement of the older cells. All are the gifts of mitosis. Development and growth of the multicellular organism depend upon the orderly, controlled mitosis. Tissue culture and cloning seeks help through the mitosis. For all this, an organism requires managed, controlled, and properly organized process of mitosis, which otherwise may result in the malfunction, unwanted tumors, and lethal diseases like cancer. Thanks for watching.